Hey guys, welcome back for this week's episode of Co-Angler Corner. This week I want to do, we did mindset last week, and I think it needs to be expanded a little bit on some of it. The very basic premise of being a co-angler is learning. And whenever I was in the back of the boat fishing a tournament, I was always trying to learn. Same within the front, you're always trying to learn. Now, it may be a little bit different when you're in the back of the boat in a tournament trying to learn, but some of the things you can do are just simply by watching the guy in front of you what he's doing. I remember a great story of fishing with Brent Ayler on Okeechobee one year. I actually was kind of mesmerized for the first half hour of the day because here's Brent Ayler. He's throwing a chatterbait across grass and catching fish, and every movement he has is basically synchronized to something he's doing. He would literally make a cast, reel it in, and if he wanted to change lures all in one swoop, he's reeling in, setting the rod down, picking another one up, and throwing it, and making a cast, all in the same motion, which to me was mind-blowing because me, I'd have to reel it in, set my rod down, pick up another one, unhook it from the reel it up, get it ready, and make my cast. Well, by the time it takes me that, he's probably doing 2 or 3 casts. Well, those 2 or 3 casts over however many times you change your rod is really significant throughout the day, and it's all about being proficient. So one of the things I learned from that was, maybe I could do it a little bit faster. Maybe not do it all in one motion like him, but maybe I could incorporate some other ideas into my own fishing that he could do. And the other thing about learning is, learning what they are reading on the water and how they're catching their fish. Learning how they're positioning their boat. Boat position is by far the most overlooked thing about being an angler. You have your boat 10 feet off this way or 10 feet off that way, and you're not going to hit your target if you're lining up. So boat position is crucial. And then even if you're going down the bank, 5 feet in is giving you a different angle than 5 feet out. So make sure we're always learning on how to, get a better sense of what the guy you're doing is doing to catch fish, and then trying to take that and use it to your own benefit on how you can catch fish with him, and then later when you go out onto your own boat or someone else's boat, you can use that to try to catch fish as well. So I was always trying to learn when I was a co-angler, even though that I didn't have any say-so in what we did or where we did it. I did have a say-so in how I did it. So that's a real big thing is just a mindset of just learning. And learning in fishing is you should never stop learning. It's an ongoing process. There's new lures coming out, new techniques coming out. So I really stressed you guys learning as being a co-angler. So and then like I said, take that to your own fishing as well. So that can't be stressed enough. So anyway, I hope this helps you. Take a little bit of mindset. Don't be the guy back in there saying this guy's doing nothing. He ain't doing the right thing. Well, maybe he is. He's just having a bad day, or maybe something was just off and he didn't realize it. Maybe he was that 5 feet in. Maybe he was that 5 feet out, or something like that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll do a couple more, and then we'll get back into the fishing tips 101.